What is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back to Tech Kiran YouTube channel, and I am gonna share with you that how you can install a custom recovery on your device. And this is the custom recovery which we're gonna install, which is LOS recovery, which is available for the Redmi Note 9 Pro users, or you can say me Tool users. I'm taking this device as an example. You can use any other device also. The guide works for all the devices. If you have unlocked bootloader and want to install a custom recovery, I'm going to show you some basics and little bit of stuff regarding that. Stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna take as an example of my Redmi Note 9 Pro. As you can see, it has the Redmi recovery by default, but I have unlocked the bootloader, so I need to install this custom recovery, which is LOS custom recovery. How I can install that? First of all, the main step, the best step, the first step is boot into fast boot mode. This is the main step, and if you don't know how you can boot into fast boot mode, in my case, I'm using Redmi Note 9 Pro. So in my case, I need to press the volume down plus the power button for some time, hold for some time, and I am booting into fast boot mode. Now I need to connect my device into this fast boot mode first. So how could I be able to connect to fast boot mode? Just go here and done. Okay, it's done, and as you can see, the device is connected in fast boot mode. How I can flash this? For this, first of all, you need to install the thing. Wait, let me tell you which thing I am talking about. You need to install the minimal ADB and fast boot tool for that. And how you can install that, the link for that file is in the description. You can go and install that. This is the file which I was talking about. This one is. So let me just show you by going into this file location. These are some files which are required to install a custom recovery on your device. So we can install a custom recovery. We're not going to change any kind of thing here, so just keep it as it is. Just go to your download location where you have that file. This is called recovery. You can install a recovery according to your device wherever you find it. So just go here, click on copy or cut or whatever else you want to, and just paste it where you have that file. In my case, I'm gonna paste it in the minimal ADB and fastboot tool folder. Wait, let me show you where I have that file and where I want to paste that. So I'm gonna paste it here by clicking here, by going into open file location, and here I'm gonna paste my custom recovery. It is, just click on continue, and yes, the recovery is pasted. As you can see, recovery is here. So now what we need to do is, first of all, you need to install the drivers. If you don't know how you can install the drivers, it's quite easy. You just need to use the Mi Flash tool. First of all, in my case, I'm gonna use the Mi Flash tool. For that, you can use any other thing also. I have that already downloaded. So wait, let me just show you by going into Mi Flash tool. In my case, I have in my downloads, in compressed, I have this Mi Flash, and this is the file which I have, which I was talking about. This one is. If you don't know, you can watch my previous video of how you can install a default stock ROM on a device. And here, if you go for this driver option, you'll be able to install the drivers. Very easy to install. Okay, after that, what you need to do is just go here, cut, and after everything is done, you need to install a file called minimal ADB and fastboot. This is the CMD thing which you need to install, and this is the thing I was talking about. You need to install this thing. Link for this file is in the description. After installation, just open this file once, and after copy, etc., everything you just did, we already shown you all those things. Now here we need to select first of all and check out if our device is detected in the fastboot. Choose the fastboot devices command, click on OK. And here, as you can see, this is our device which is connected, which means the drivers are installed properly. As you can see, my device is connected into fastboot mode, in fastboot mode. So how we can install that custom recovery? Just use this command, fastboot flash recovery. This is the main thing which you need to write, and after that you need to write the file name. In my case, as I previously told you, the file name is recovery.img. Wait, let me show you which I was talking about. This is the file which I was talking about. In my case, its name is recovery.img. For example, if you have recovery.img, you will write the recovery.img here. Wait, as you can see, fastboot flash recovery, then choose recovery.img. Okay, this is the file which you need to write. This is the command which you need to write. And if you have any other thing, for example, if we have a TWRP, in my case this is LOS, but if you want to use a TWRP, just go here, rename it. I am just gonna rename it. I don't want you to rename. It's just for the information. So for example, we have TWRP. So what you need to write is, now the command will be a little bit of change here, fastboot flash recovery. Then instead of recovery.img, we need to write twrp.img. Okay, after that what you need to do is click on enter, and it will take some time. Okay, sorry for that. That was some issue because I just renamed that to some other way in some other location. I need to rename that to this location. So just go here and we need to go to open file location, and here we have this recovery. We need to rename it to TWRP. So just click on rename. We need to write TWRP, enter, and it's done. Okay, so now what you need to do is, now we need to go to CMD again. Now we need to enter the previous command again, click on OK, and as you can see, sending recovery. The recovery installation is now begun. As you can see, it's finished, and we will be booted into custom recovery. If in case you are not booting into custom recovery, you can manually boot into. You don't need to do this by command. You can simply move into custom recovery with some keys combination. So let me just do that. Let me just boot into custom recovery. In my case, in my Redmi Note 9 Pro, I will choose a power button plus the volume up button to boot into custom recovery. So let's wait for it to boot, and after that let me show you that it is successfully installed on our device. It will take some time to boot into custom recovery, so you need to be patient and just wait for some time. We are booted into our custom recovery. As far as I know, we have this Redmi logo available. As you can see, I have unlocked bootloader, which means that's why I was able to flash this custom recovery. If you don't have the unlocked bootloader, unfortunately you can't. And how do you can unlock bootloader? That is also a question, but there are many things available. This was a TWRP which I installed, and yes, this is a TWRP. We have installed it successfully. The previous one was a default recovery, but now this one is the TWRP which finally installed on our device. Very easy to install this TWRP recovery. If you also want to install this, I'm going to show you this tool link, which is Minimal ADB and Fastboot Tools. So you can go and install that. Recovery you need to install from your source, so you can find it on XDA or anywhere else. Very easy to install. This is all from today's video. I hope you like this simple and minimalistic guide, and this was very easy to install this custom recovery. What you need to keep in mind is this, the img file. What is the name of that file? Fastboot flash recovery is the main thing. So the thing is, if you want to flash a system, you need to write fastboot flash system, then you need to write the file name called system.img or whatever else, and like that we have the fastboot flash recovery. Now we have the twrp.img. we could write los.img, or if it is by default recovery.img, we could write fastboot flash recovery.img, and then it will be booted into custom recovery, and then it will install that. Very easy. I hope you like this. If you like this, don't forget to like and share this video. This is all. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.